Hello everyone, in this guide I will show you how to create a job post on a Facebook page. On your computer or mobile device, open Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you are using your business page because job-related posts work best when shared from a professional page rather than a personal profile. To get started, go to your business page by selecting it from the left-hand menu if you are on a computer, or from the menu button at the bottom if you are using a mobile device. Once you are on your business page, click on Create Post, just like you would for a regular update. In the Post section, start by writing a clear and engaging job description. Begin with a strong headline such as "We are hiring" or "Join our team." Be sure to include the most important details: the job title, main responsibilities, the location, and any required qualifications. If the position is remote, part-time, or flexible, make sure you highlight that as well. Keeping your description short and easy to read makes it more appealing, so consider breaking down information into short sentences or bullet points for clarity. To make your post more attractive, add a relevant image. This could be a picture of your workplace, your team, or even a simple graphic with the job title displayed. You may also want to include your company logo to make the post look more professional and aligned with your brand. If you want to collect applications directly, add a call to action at the end of your post. For example, you can ask interested candidates to apply by sending you a direct message, commenting on the post, or emailing their resume. Another option is to include a link to an external application form if you already have one set up. Before publishing, take a moment to carefully review your post and ensure all the details are accurate and complete. Once you're confident it looks right, click on Post, and your job listing will be live on your business page. To increase your reach and attract more applicants, consider sharing your job post in relevant Facebook groups where active job seekers are likely to be browsing. Another effective option is to use the Boost Post feature, which allows you to turn the job post into a paid ad so that it reaches a much larger and more targeted audience. That's how you can create a job post on Facebook using a regular post. This method is completely free, simple to set up, and allows you to quickly connect with potential candidates while keeping the process flexible and accessible.